Hello, this is RV Vagabond Jerry, and now I am just north of Fort Leonard Wood, Missouri, at a roadside attraction, a place where they say the best fudge comes from Uranus. This is a very interesting place. Let me show you around. This is Route 66, and that is Interstate 44. This is an Astroliner, and we're at the Uranus Fudge Factory in Sideshow Museum. I'm also going to show you a bit of Fort Uranus over here. There is the Uranus City Jail, tattoo parlor. They have their own police department. And here is the band for today. Although I don't hear anything. Trained wild animals, there's nothing there. Got an elephant on top of the wild animal cart. And if you want to escape Uranus, this would be the place to do it. Well, it's closed, but I guess we can enjoy the rest of Uranus. Let's see what else is here. This is a nice combination. Medical clinic. This is Da Vinci's office. The Tomb of Doom. And Dr. Keen's the facility. A lot of interesting things here. Can you guess what this oval shaped thing is? Think hard. Here's the back of it. You see that bar going up and down there, and this kind of clip looking thing here. It is the world's largest belt buckle, certified by Guinness. And next to that they have a British type bus. Look out. It's called the Funk Yard. Needs a little repair and paint job, if you ask me. I like the Frigidaire air conditioner. And this track's Route 66 from LA right through Uranus. Here's something else that's interesting. A dinosaur that is talented enough to rest on 3 columns. How about that? This is their newspaper. They call the Uranus Examiner. And uh-oh, I think I'm in trouble. And here is the Sideshow Museum. They have a strongman, a frog princess. Didn't know there was such a thing. And if you're missing a pair of balls, please return them. They have a 2-headed baby, $500, guaranteed real. This is their Sideshow Museum. And they have some actual things on display. Not sure what that's supposed to be. But here is the 2-headed baby. That's a 3-headed turtle. And this, I don't know, it doesn't have labels on here. Must be something special about this guy. 2-headed bat. Got a lot of 2-headed things here. There's some little birdies. And a turtle with extra legs. 2-headed, probably a dog. And that might be a human skull. Ooh, and this one looks particularly scary. 2 more double-headed birds. And this, folks, is an alligator lady right next to the serpent lady. It's called Serpentina. Can she love? That's not what I was thinking. You remember this man? There's no names on anything, but I happen to remember this guy's name is Robert Wadlow. Just under 9 feet tall, and there is one of his shoes. And this is quite a surprise. There he is, actually in his coffin. I'd like to sit down for a little rest, but I think I'll put it off for a while. And this guy looks particularly ornery. And they have alive two-headed turtle. Let's see if I can get a shot of it here. Yep, there he is. There's one head, and the other head is way over here. He's got a real big, kind of a double shell. And it's kind of hard to tell in the video, but both heads are moving. It definitely is alive. Oh wow, they've got two of them. That head and this head, they're in two different aquariums. You know what this is? That is the rat boy. Two-headed pigeon, two-headed rabbit, and a two-headed whatever that is, and two-headed chicken. You just got to figure it out for yourself. They do not have names on these things. The two-headed monkey that is preserved in this liquid solution here. We got some shrunken heads.
Don't miss this unexpected horror of a lifetime. Get your ticket and come in. Uranus.
That's a three-legged chicken, five-legged frog, six-legged pit bull puppy, six-legged freak pig. I don't think you need the word freak there though. I think we got that figured out. Cyclops pig with a fifth leg on top of his head. Okay, I'll take your word for it. And here is a pig with no face. I suppose this is a merman. And another mermaid, or whatever these human/fish are. They call it the mysterious Fiji mermaid. You know what a garboon is? It's a baboon with a gar fish tail. I bet you never seen a garboon before. Got a couple mummies here. This one is particularly interesting. A hairy lady with her hairy baby. Have you heard of Elaine Marie, the girl with two heads? I bet she's a lot of fun. Here's some more interesting characters. And I guess this lady wanted twins. You're probably wondering, where is that fudge factory? Well, that's coming up next. And this is how far the place is from these different locations. Is yours on the board there? So here is the Fudge Factory store. Got some old favorites here. Mary Jane, never heard of that. Wow, look at all these candies. 4 rows of them. 4 rows of 4. Cran raspberry. Candy apples. Man, look at that, all that. In case you're wondering, yes, they have t-shirts and sweatshirts. This is my favorite motto. They even have a fishing department in here. Archery department. Hunting supplies. All kinds of things in their store here. There you go. And here is the fudge. I'm getting some reduced sugar fudge. They've got about 6 to 8 grams of sugar per ounce, and these bars are 4 ounces. I try to keep my sugar intake down as much as reasonable. And there's some whole pans of it. You don't see much of these anymore. Nice chewing gum selection. I've heard of this place for a long time. My first chance getting to stop by. And it has a lot more here than I ever imagined it would. So stop by if you're ever in this area. They even have hillbilly supplies. Good day, folks.